This is the East Midlands Airport picnic and viewpoint area, where I got to spend the day doing some plane watching for free. That's right, a spot directly next to the runway with no parking fees and no entry fees. Come with me as I show you this cool spot for some plane spotting. East Midlands Airport is located in Castle Donington between Loughborough, Derby and Nottingham. With around 200 flights per day, this airport has a mixture of cargo and passenger flights arriving and departing throughout the day. The airport picnic and viewpoint area is located down a short left-hand turn just as you join the Wilders Way Road, located just before the start of runway 27. As you turn onto the access road, initially you'll feel as though you're going down a road that you shouldn't be. Just keep going down it, just trust me on this one, and you'll see some parking spaces on the right hand side of the road. Whatever you do not park outside of these spaces or block the gate, as it is used for emergency access. As you can see on the screen now, when you first arrive you'll see the East Midlands Gateway Park. Take a left hand turn on this first road here, and follow your way up the road and you'll see exactly where you need to go. As we venture off to the right hand side here, we can see the Amazon distribution centre there. You can see that on your right hand side, you know you're in the right spot. On the left here we can see the main picnic area with a few picnic tables, and I believe there's a little climbing frame there that the kids can use, or grown adults, should you wish. And perhaps one day for a future video, I might take a bit of an explore down this little path on the right hand side, which I believe goes the whole way around the airport. Without further ado, I'll stop talking and I'll show you some clips of what I've seen throughout the day today. Thanks for sticking around to the end on this video about the East Midlands Airport picnic and viewpoint area. For more great travelling content, please be sure to subscribe to the Travel with Ben Mordecai YouTube channel, give the video a like, and make sure you leave a comment. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye now.